Today I'm checking out these flat free tires. These are 13-inch flat free tires. I bought 4 of them, as you can see here. And I wanted to show you some close-ups on these. They do have bearings. That's a big deal for me. I don't like the ones that just have the bushings because the bushings eventually just wear out. Bearings are going to last longer and they're going to be much smoother and easier to pull. And with each wheel you buy, wheel and tire combo, you're going to get the little cotter keys and the washers and stuff that you need to put them. I actually bought these to put on my Gorilla cart that has pneumatic tires on it, same size and everything, but the pneumatic tires just will not stay aired up and they basically fall apart after a year, so they're pretty much junk. I have used tires like these before and they've been really good. One note I want to make with any kind of flat free tire, no matter how special they say they are, do not leave a load on those tires for long periods of time without moving them. You will get flat spots, and I have not had one yet that wouldn't if I did that. I learned my lesson on one set and I just never do that anymore. I always empty out the cart before I store it. That way you don't have to worry about any kind of flat spots on there. If you do like I do and you have a garden cart, and I left about 400 pounds in that garden cart, when I went back that spring to use it again, there was a flat spot in the tire and it never came back out. It's not like a car. When you air them up, they'll push out. There's little porous holes and bubbles inside of this rubber to make these bounce and act like a pneumatic tire. Over time, if you let those sit there and collapse and crush, you'll have a forever flat spot. That is my disclaimer, and I want you to know that, but that's going to happen with pretty much any of these kind of tires because of the way they're put together and designed, the material. So other than that, I have had no problems with these things. That one issue was self-inflicted, and so far these look like they're going to do great. Quality wise, I've checked them all 4 out. Bearings are all nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and put them on the cart and let you see what they look like. And there are the wheels installed on my Gorilla cart. Beautiful. They spin really well. I mean, just nice. And I didn't know how sloppy my wheels were until I put those washers in there. So they came with 4 washers with each wheel and a cotter key. I didn't need cotter keys because, as you can see, these are bolt on. But the washers I did use, and basically I just stacked them on top of each other to get rid of the slop, and then use one on the outside like you see there. Perfect. Worked awesome. I didn't need 4 on each one, but works great. Pulled it around. Everything looks good. I don't know why these carts don't come with these already, but it's a wonderful upgrade. These are the ones that I took off, and they just wear out. I mean, they're not really that old, maybe a couple years max. Really like the wheels. I think you will too. It's a great upgrade to any cart like this or anything that needs these kind of 13-inch wheels. Well, I hope this information was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Take care.